start with the CV, which is at the bottom over there. They're all labeled. So basically, the CV means I don't know if you guys can see it, but
Circuit
it's a
breaker.
circuit breaker.
You can turn the light off.
The CC. The CC is a compressor contactor, CFM, and basically, going down the road so you can see
So
everything.
is that the legend?
Huh?
Yeah,
So-
that's the legend.
Yeah, so that's how they're labeled. So basically over here, so it's plugged in already. We're gonna start with the CV and get some them.
Yeah, it will go, we will go from 120 to the step down transformer to 24. And then, I don't know, you wanna call for fan only, heating or cooling?
Fan only.
Fan only? Those are indicator lights. This is the one like replacing the compressor. We just installed them just to, like, for showing purposes.
So basically, right now, the fan is running, and then when it heats up, the light will turn on.
It will go through we install a contactor for the fan and relay for the heater and contactor for the compressor. We were able also to find a relay, a run capacitor to run this motor through the formula, which is, the number is,
What's the number, you guys?
You don't know it?
I forgot. You know it?
Right here.
Which was the formula to find out the right capacitor for a motor?
I believe it's I times something over voltage, but the number is.
This one we figured out needs to be a 10 microfarad in order to run this small motor over there. I went to 2 AC places and they told me that we were trying to invent the wheel, which was already invented. So they didn't have no idea about the formula, and we kept looking until we find the right way to do it.
Yeah,
To make it
formula, I
work.
think, too.
So basically, this project is the same one as that one over there.
2652.
But we try to do it as clean as possible with the wiring. and
So
everything.
now we call for heating. And we go to auto, we raise the temperature over here.
There you go.
That's heating. And actually that coil is working. You can feel the heat on it. We install a high limit switch over here, which we can trigger.
This is the protection, huh?
Yeah, it's a safety switch. So
it's too high, they'll
just
stop.
the heater turn off and the fan is still running. Okay, it's a resettable one, so in a few seconds you can reset it and it will go on again. Just let it, yeah. There you go. So we can do it over and over and over and over. If we call for cooling, the actual thermostat, it has a delay. I don't know exactly how many seconds. I think it's
Like 90.
Huh?
It's usually 90.
90, right?
Yeah.
90 seconds. And also we install this time delay switch to protect the compressor. But I'm gonna set it up to the minimum, that way it will. And we need to know what's the temperature here. To go for cooling. It's gonna take a little bit. What else, guys? I think it's self-exposed.
That's the exact diagram.
That's the exact same one as this one.
Yeah.
It's just smaller.
It's not that clean because we don't have any CAD software, so we did it all by hand.
You did this by hand, that's great.
Yes, and then we took a picture of the actual drawing.
Uh-huh.
We transferred to Photoshop and kind of clean it a little bit.
So you guys have let's see, so you have a heating element on it. So
Yes.
Now the red ones, the blue one's a compressor.
Compressor.
And the blue fan is an evaporator fan.
Say that again?
That's the evaporator fan.
Yes.
And the black fan is condenser fan. What's the black one? Or that's
The other
heat.
one.
The indoor blower, the fan.
Oh,
The
indoor.
indoor, the
Yeah.
fan motor is over there, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's not
The
so
IFM.
73 right now. It should go on any second.
Go to 40.
What else, guys?
And you can change the setting of the time delay, right?
Yes.
It goes from.
This one, yeah, it goes from
Less than a minute to.
0.3, yeah, to up to 10 minutes.
You go from seconds to 10 minutes.
To 10 minutes max.
What's the purpose of time delay?
To protect the compressor
Yeah, short cycle.
for short cycle, yeah. And the actual thermostat it has one.
Yeah, most thermostats, we've used thermostats that have a 5-minute delay
5
from
minutes.
when
Yeah.
you're heating
We
to
just,
cooling.
we just installed this for like to showing purposes, all the things that you can play around and install and
That's cool.
to protect.
You might be able to reset the thermostat on the back. Does it have a reset button?
I have to
Take the whole thing off.
take the whole thing out and then reset it.
And what's the time delay wired into?
Say that again, I'm sorry?
What is the time delay wired into? The time delay?
On
Okay.
this,
No, that time delay?
on this,
What is it wired to?
it goes to the contactor.
Contact coil, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I discovered something, we discovered something today. When this one is off, when it's normally, this is normally open, right? We still have continuity on the common wire. On relays, when it's not closed, everything is completely disconnected, including common. That's the reason it's not on the diagram. We have to run this common wire from here to keep feeding common to separate the fan from the heating. Because we were having that problem. When everything went up, there you go.
Oh yeah.
That's the way how it's supposed
Yeah,
to
yeah.
be. Yeah.
We'll get rid of that one and just replace with that.
I thought about it.
I thought about it.
But we call for this and then we go fine again. And we can keep going and going and going to, yeah.
Asian's my younger son.
No worries.
As you hit it again and you can, if you put your hand over here, you can feel the warm air coming out.
I like the limit switch you guys have.
Huh?
I like the limit switch deal.
Yes, that was an addition just to,
Show off.
as many components that we can
That's
use
cool.
to prove. And it's a resettable though. It's actually, it's a manual reset, because the other one, it will reset automatically. This is manual.
Usually trips when the fan motor doesn't come on.
They call it, sometimes it can work as a rollout too. Rollout switch or a high limit switch. Right guys, that's it. Thank you.